Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Analytics to WooCommerce. If you are running a WooCommerce store and want to know what customers are doing on your website, this setup will help you track it easily. Without analytics, it becomes difficult to understand what products people are viewing, what they add to cart, where they leave the checkout, and what is actually generating sales. Right now, many WooCommerce store owners are making decisions without proper data. Without analytics, it becomes difficult to understand what products people are viewing, what they add to cart, where they leave the checkout, and what is actually generating sales. Right now, many WooCommerce store owners are making decisions without proper data. You may be getting traffic, but not knowing what products are performing well, what marketing campaign is working, or where customers are dropping off. With one simple setup, you can connect Google Analytics to WooCommerce and start tracking important customer actions inside your store. You will be able to monitor product views, add to cart activity, checkout behavior, purchases, and other e-commerce insights. Let's see how to configure the enhanced e-commerce Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin using a quick demo. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated on your WooCommerce store. After activation, go to the Dotstore plugins section and open the e-commerce tracking plugin settings. The plugin makes Google Analytics WooCommerce integration simple and beginner-friendly. There are two ways to connect Google Analytics using this plugin. One is using a simple setup wizard, where you can follow the steps and connect your Google Analytics account. Another way is to manually enter the Google Measurement ID here and connect it with your account. Before we check the setup wizard, let's first see how you can find this GA4 ID from the Google Analytics platform and enter it here. So, let's go to the Analytics section. First of all, go to Google Analytics and click on this button here to open the Analytics platform. We already have one test account created on our Analytics platform, as you can see here. Now, simply click on the Admin button. After that, click on the Data Streams option and open your website data stream, or you can say your store data stream. Here is my WooCommerce store data streams that I have already set up. I'll click on that. This is the measurement ID that you need to copy and enter in the plugin settings to connect it. Simply copy this ID. Now, let me go back to the plugin settings screen again. You can simply paste your measurement ID here, which you have copied from the Analytics platform. Then click on the Submit button, and the plugin will automatically connect your site with your Google Analytics account and show different tracking options. Now, let's see how you can connect your account using the Setup Wizard. To proceed with the Setup Wizard, simply click on the Start Setup button here. Now you can see that it displays a different screen to sign in with Google and set up your e-commerce tracking plugin. So, let's click on this button here to proceed further. Now, here you can see your Google account connection screen. You can select whichever email account you want to connect and then proceed to the next step. I'm going to select this email ID. Here, you can see that it displays the available analytics IDs in the drop-down for this particular email account. You can select whichever analytics account you want to connect and then click on the Complete Connection button here. So, let's click here. Now, as you can see, our plugin has been successfully connected with our Google Analytics account. You can see the connected GA4 ID here, along with the settings as well. This is one of the important features that you need to enable to start e-commerce tracking. After that, we also have multiple tracking features available. For example, you can enable search tracking, IP anonymization tracking, and, if needed, 404-page tracking. You can also enable other important tracking events, such as sign-up tracking. Simply enable whichever tracking options you want and then click on the Save Changes button here. Once saved, it will start tracking your e-commerce store activity inside the Google Analytics dashboard. Now, after saving the settings, let me show you how you can view different actions and tracking events inside your Analytics dashboard. To see how the plugin works with Google Analytics, we are currently inside our WooCommerce store. Now, we will perform some actions on our WooCommerce store, and then we will check the analytics, or we can say tracking data, inside our Google Analytics dashboard. This will give you a real idea of how it works. For example, as you can see, we are currently on the store page of our WooCommerce website. Now, we will visit this particular product, add this item to the cart, and then view the cart page. As you can see, we have now performed some actions on our store. Now, let's see how these details are tracked in our analytics dashboard. To view the analytics report for our account, we can click on the report section here. For a detailed report and to check whether our connection is working properly, we can use the real-time report section. Here, we can view the real-time overview. As you can see, it is currently showing one active visitor on our website because we recently visited the website and performed some actions. You can also see those activities reflected in the real-time data. For example, you can see that we visited the shop page, then opened a product, added that item to the cart, and also visited the cart page. All these activities are being tracked here, and you can see the details. If we check the real-time pages section, it will show the pages that we visited on our WooCommerce store. You can see the same product page displayed here. If you want to see more detailed reports, you can explore the lifecycle section here. And if you want to see e-commerce activity details, you can check the monetization section. Here, you can find e-commerce purchase details, purchased products, generated revenue, and other important e-commerce reports. You can also track the customer purchase journey, checkout journey, and many other e-commerce tracking details available in the analytics dashboard. This helps you understand customer behavior better and make smarter decisions for your e-commerce store by tracking customer activities. That's how you can connect Google Analytics to WooCommerce and start making data-driven decisions for your business. And that's it for this video. You can install the enhanced e-commerce Google Analytics for WooCommerce plugin using the link given in the description. If you enjoyed this video and want more WooCommerce tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.